Ah, blood is coming out. Red blood. So this is antiseptic.
Yeah,
And what is
dragon
it?
blood.
The dragon's blood tree, so named because of the drops of red sap which ooze out when it's cut. This is one of the most bizarre trees in the world. It's an iconic plant for the Socotrans, who are worried the dragon's blood tree may one day disappear from the island. They've seen over the last few years a sharp decline in the numbers of the tree, and one of the explanations to this is climate change. In an attempt to preserve the most endangered species, saplings and seeds are being gathered and cultivated in a nursery. Growing the dragon's blood tree here is seen as a miracle. It usually takes centuries to fully blossom.
Dragon trees are native to the Canary Islands and are visually stunning because of their distinctive branch crowns that they develop as they age. The Drago millenario is the biggest dragon tree in the Canary Islands, with a 60-foot height and a 50-foot diameter. When this species of tree flowers, it can bloom up to 1,800 separate blossoms and become 3.5 tons heavier. This tree also produces a type of red berry that provides the same kind of sap as the tree itself.